Okay guys, Quad Cities Tesla guy here, and I'm going to show you how to install these door sills that I got from Hansshow. Hansshow is a vendor that has been supporting the channel by sending me stuff for me to review and show you guys as viewers. And so all we have to do is close the door here, and when we open it, the door sill now lights up. Now on the old ones that I just took off, they don't light up at all. They just say Model 3, they're flat black, just like these. But these are cool because they light up, and there's 4 of them. Unlike your standard vehicle, when it comes, you don't have a door sill on the rear seats. You only have them on the driver's side and the passenger side. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. Okay, so let's just see what's inside. So it looks like we got some extra batteries. We got a sheet that says need help, contact us, warranty and support information, phone number. We've got a couple of these little devices, basically to get the old ones out. We've got one of the rear door sills. Now you don't want to take this plastic piece off yet. And then on the back, you can see where the magnets or where the batteries go. There's 2 little compartments for batteries in here. And so if you need to replace these, then you can just take it off and replace it. Now this is, underneath this is like a 3M strip here or something. It is 3M, it says 3M right on it. So that will stick on there nicely. We've got another one of these for the rear. So a second one for the rear. And then we got the front ones. So we'll just go ahead and pull this one out. Again, I think this is the actual magnetic part, and this is the marker for where that goes. So just keep that in mind. So don't tear that off at all. And then let's go ahead and open the last one. So this is the last one. And they all have these 2 batteries in them and the 3M tape to get it stuck to the actual vehicle. So and these are the rest of the materials for cleaning off the surface and for extra strips for tacking it on there. It's an installation kit, it says. And then it's got these little rings that will help guide where it actually goes. And then it comes with these spare parts package as well for, like, if you need to take them off and replace the batteries, it's got these spare parts to put it back on. Yeah, so this is everything that came in the box. So we got the tools, we got the installation kit, we've got a spare parts package over there on the left. We've got the warranty and support paper, some extra batteries, our front sides, driver's side and passenger side. And then we've got the 2 rear ones for the driver's side and the passenger side. So these batteries will last probably about 2 years. And so in about 2 years, we'll need to pull them off and replace the batteries in them. And that should get us probably about 4 years worth of life out of them, if not more. You can always buy more batteries. These are just CR2032s, a very common battery. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to put these in. Okay, we're going to start with the passenger side here. This is the thing we need to take off. It's probably going to be easier to just go ahead and lift this piece up first here. This little piece just kind of pulls up out of the way, and that kind of gives you a little bit more clearance to get to the top of this. And I'll probably go ahead and do a little bit of cleaning of that once I get underneath it. Now we can use these tools right here to just kind of pry underneath of it and start picking it up, just like that. Just kind of work your way around it. It should be pretty easy to get up. Just like that. Get behind it here, and then you can just kind of pull it straight out. Now there is a little strip of something underneath here that I'm trying to maintain that, but it's not really necessary. But you can see it's sticking pretty good. There we go. So that comes off just like that. So that's the front passenger side. And this little strip here, we're going to leave that in place. We're going to go ahead and clean this off just to kind of wipe it down a little bit, get any stuff off of it. And we do have a little installation kit here that should help us as well. So got that cleaned off a little bit. So let's open this installation kit, and I think it's got like some alcohol wipes that will help kind of get it nice and clean. So that out. So that is a adhesive promoter. Okay, we got that. And we've got these little rings here. And then we've got this little strip here as well. So that's it. All right, so let's go ahead and get this thing in place. So what we need to do is we need to just peel these little strips off here. So there's just 4 of these here. We just need to peel back the little red piece here. Just set those there to the side for a second and get this one over here. Now this is going to take probably about 5 minutes per door. Maybe a little bit less time on the rear doors since there's really not much to take off. And what we're going to do is we're going to prime for the adhesive. So we're going to use this little strip here, this little thing. So we're going to open this up. And we're just going to kind of wipe it down a little bit wherever it's going to make contact here and just kind of use that on it. I'm going to set this to the side so it's nice and dry. And then we're going to take this and we're going to place it right in here. And then we're going to get it in there and then we're going to set it down on top of the spot. Now let's press down on this for a little bit till it's nice and sealed onto there. Just like that. And we should be good. So next, what we want to do is we want to take one of these little things here and they have like a little adhesive on the other side. So you want to stick these right on here like this, facing up on that little round piece. There's a little round piece there and that there. I'm gonna get my phone out here and turn my flashlight so you can see right there. I just put this little round, there's a little round piece there. We're just gonna place this right around it like that. And then when we close the door, it's going to attach to the bottom of the door. And that'll be where we're gonna put this little thing, which is the magnet. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Let's close the door. And just like that, our little thing is gone. It's on the bottom of the door now. Okay, so it came off right there. And you can see underneath the door here, there's the little round piece that's stuck to the bottom of the door. Now we need to peel this off and get that little piece of, it's like a magnet that's gonna go right in the middle of that circle. All right, so I think we can push the door down, this door trim back down on there. And let's just go ahead and peel this thing off here. Not sure. Just pull it off on this side. And like I said, there's this little piece in here. So we're just gonna peel this tape back, get this little thing out of here. And there's a little adhesive on the back side of it. And we're just gonna stick that up in the middle of the circle here. So we have this thing here, and we just need to push it right up into the middle of that ring there that we placed using the guide that was already on the lighted strip. And then we can peel. I think that's it. And then now, when we open it up, now it's lit up. Just like that. Okay, so we got the rear door here. That's next. We got our little circles and our tools. And I think we'll be able to do this pretty easily in short order. And then I'll do the other ones off video. But as you can see, we have this little piece here. So we just need to get pried underneath it, just like we did the other thing. Let's see if this one works a little better. Yeah, it's just kind of like the same thing. You just kind of have to work way around it. Pull it off. Just like that. Set that up there. And then we'll just clean around where it's going to go. And again, we'll probably want to go ahead and lift this piece of trim out of the way just so that we have clearance to get the other part in. And so, yeah, so let's go ahead and put the rear one in here. Okay, same process. There's another little circle here and we've got our batteries in the back. So we just need to take this stuff off the back. Set that to the side. There. Okay, so we're ready to tack this down. So we should probably wipe out a little bit wider because the adhesive is a little bit further out. So we're going to go ahead and stick it right here. Get that in there nice and tight, and then set it down and push on it, just like we did the other one. Get it nice and sealed down in there. And then we can push this thing back down on top of that. That should help a little bit. And we got the adhesive clearly on there. And now we need one of these rings. Again, this goes the sticky part up. Put it right on top of this little round piece there. And then we'll close the door again. And when we pull it out, let's just try to close it and reopen it. And just like that, we got it figured out. It works. Just need to get it stuck. But we got them on. We just kind of eyeballed it and it worked fine. Okay guys, I am all done installing these door sills and they look pretty darn amazing. As you can see here, open the back door too, and wow, it makes a little difference, right? If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And if you're looking to buy a Tesla, you can go to qcteslaguy.com and you can click on the link at the top of the page. It's a referral button. And that will get you 3 free months of FSD on top of the 1 month that you get when you buy or lease a new Tesla. And if you haven't seen my previous video using advanced Grok AI prompts, click here. And if you haven't seen my recent video on using the Tesla app on your phone, click here. Thanks for watching, and use technology to drive safe so that you can live life.